Hey guys, I was working on the old Silverado the other day, and I had a big brain moment and found a really cool trick, or a really effective trick on how to get frozen wheel hub assemblies off your spindle thing. Now I had this wheel hub, or what happened was the wheel bearing shredded, and I did the whole ka-chow mod. So I was going in to replace the wheel hub assembly, and it was really stuck in there. So what I ended up doing was I found this little trick out. I took the wheel hub assembly bolts and I ran them backwards like this. I had one here, one there, and one right there. And then what I did was I took just a little metal punch. I put it, let me get a light so you all can see it better. What I did was I just ran it back in the hole there and punched it out, just hammered on it with a hammer, and just really got on there, really hammered it hard, and it came right out. Now this wheel hub was frozen in there so bad, I didn't know if I was going to be able to get it off before I found this trick out. And they do sell like a little tool you can use, but I think this works like even better than that probably, and it's free. You just reuse your wheel bolts. Now, most of y'all will probably, hopefully, not have your wheel hub shred on you, and you'll be replacing it while it's still intact like this. Now, normally, you could just take a big mallet and kind of whack on this after you undo the bolts, and it'll come right off. But that trick where I showed you where I ran it in backwards, you're thinking, how do I do it when when the wheel hub's still intact? Because I can't get a bolt back there. Well, that's when I got thinking, I figured this part out too. On this wheel hub, here in the spindle, there are no threads. The threads are all in the hub assembly here. So what you can do, if say this wheel hub looked like the one on the passenger side I just showed you was all intact, you couldn't fit the bolt back there because it's not going to fit with the hub here. You just run it in back here, or when you're disassembling it, just undo this bolt a few turns so it's sticking out like this, but it's still threaded into the wheel hub. Then hammer on the bolt. It's gonna push the hub out. Or if you even wanted to, you didn't want to hammer directly on the bolt, you could just punch on the head of the bolt and hammer it then. And it'll get the wheel hub out. You just need to, like I said, work your way around it. Kind of just slowly push out, hammer on this one, hammer on that one, hammer on that one, and then the hub will just kind of slide off. And like I said, this is a really amazing trick. I did not know how I was going to get this frozen hub off, but as you can see, got the bolt stuck in there. I got it off just fine. It's just kind of hanging in there by this bolt I have. But, yeah, I thought that was a really good trick on how to get frozen wheel hubs off. If y'all guys have any more questions about it, feel free to leave it in the comments, and I'll try and answer as soon as I can. But y'all have a good night, and good luck with the builds.